Welcome to the channel, and today, we want to explore the possibilities. We've bought a Makita 1/4-inch hex bit set and we bring it to the test. And we want to know how an impact driver is capable of handling drilling through some materials. Let's dive in. Yep, these are the bad boys. We start off with thin metal. There is some impact here and there. We drill at medium and high speed. Time for the wood is good portion. The impact driver seems to have more work to do. We drill at medium speed. This is normally the turf for a drill or rotary hammer drill. But since we are here with a bit for masonry, we can try to slam that one into that chunky piece. So if you got time and willing to waste some calories, this is a good method to do so. You can actually drill holes with that combo. Not sexy. Not that efficient, but you can. So the impact driver can partially take the jobs what a drill can take care of. Great for minor metal work and light duty woodworking. And surprisingly, the hex drill bits from Makita do a good job. We remember the time when Makita accessories, such as drill bits, were more suitable for the trash bin than having them at the job site. Good times so far. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.